Learn the important safety precautions to be followed before commencing any electrical repair work on ships.
Welcome back to Marine Electrical Made Easy. In this video, we will discuss the few important safety precautions to be followed before commencing any electrical repair work on ships. Before starting any electrical repair on a ship, safety must always come first. Electrical accidents can cause electrical shocks, burns, fires, equipment damage, and even loss of life. Therefore, every electrical job should begin only after following proper safety precautions. Let us look at the important safety measures that must be followed before commencing any electrical repair work. First, obtain an electrical safety permit or permit to work. This ensures that the job has been authorized by the officer responsible and that all risks have been assessed before work begins. Before starting the job, place warning signs and labels such as "Work is in progress," "Men at work," "Do not switch on." These signs warn other crew members and help prevent accidental operation of the equipment. The electrical supply must be isolated before work begins. Apply a lock to the isolating switch and attach warning tag. This procedure is called lockout and tagout or LOTO. It prevents someone from accidentally energizing the equipment while maintenance is being carried out. Always wear the correct PPE such as safety helmet, insulated gloves, safety shoes, safety goggles, protective clothing. PPE provides protection against electrical shocks, arc flash, and other workplace hazards. Work in pairs. Never carry out electrical work alone. Always work in pairs so that help is immediately available in case of an emergency. A second person can also monitor safety conditions during the job. Before touching any conductor, verify that the circuit is de-energized. Use approved test instruments such as multimeter, voltage tester, clamp meter. Always test the tester before and after use to ensure it is working correctly. Use only insulated and well-maintained tools. Damaged tools can increase the risk of electrical shock and injury. Always inspect tools before use. Maintain clear communication among all personnel involved in the job. Everyone should know what work is being carried out, which equipment is isolated, when power will be restored. Good communication prevents misunderstandings and accidents. Ensure the work area is well illuminated. Poor lighting can lead to incorrect connections, missed hazards, and accidents. Good visibility improves both safety and work quality. Make sure the equipment cannot start unexpectedly. Disable automatic controls, remote start systems, and interlocks where necessary. This is especially important for motors, generators, and pumps. Before starting work, carefully inspect the area for hazards such as exposed wires, damaged insulation, wet or damp conditions, loose connections, burn marks, or overheating signs. Identifying hazards beforehand helps prevent accidents and equipment damage. Thank you for watching Marine Electrical Made Easy. Thank you.